Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create glow text effect on InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on video and then select new. And here I'm just going to add black background to my project. And wait, I'm going to add text to this project. So we can click on the text option and then select text. And for example, I'm just going to type in glow glow text effect. Okay, like this, and then you can change the font if you want. Just go to the font menu and then you can select the font you want to apply to your text before you apply the glow effect. And for me, I'm just gonna choose this one and I'm going to zoom in. Okay, and now it's time to add glow effect to our text on InShot. If we want to add the glow effect, we can go to the style menu shown by this icon, and then we can choose glow category, and there will be two options for us. You can choose this one or this one. It depends on the type of the video you want to create. You can choose the effect which is suitable for your editing. And for me, I'm just going to choose for example this one, and then we can change the glow color. You can change the color here, and I'm just going to add for example yellow or orange. Okay, and then we can customize the intensity. You can go right to increase the intensity or the value, and then you can go left to reduce the value. And I'm just going to make it full, and I'm going to try this one as well. Okay, prefer this one guys for my editing. And then once we're done, we can click on the check mark. Okay, then just continue the editing on your InShot. You'll be able to apply to your caption as well if you have text caption on your editing. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create glow text effect on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!